The life of the party has arrived. The life of the party has arrived. Make way, I'm entering the room.
Don't stop hiding yet!
I got a key. Guess door noise. Oh boy, another door.
I'm gonna go again!
I just found the key. Yeah. Eek. Welcome to a new room. Door.
Coming through!
Aw man, got the key. Now I can unlock the door. Hello! I hope it's cool in here. Hello! Door noise. Bing bing. I just opened the door.
Oh, you're gonna get ambushed! I'm coming back!
I just found the key. Yeah. Knock knock. Who's there? The door. Door's open.
Coming through! I'm not done yet!
Door's open. Yeah. New room.
I'm not done yet!
Papa's opening a brand new door. Wait, we can go this way. Another open door. That hurts! Hello?
I'm coming back!
Oh, I got a key. Guys. Eek. New room.
Out of my way! And make it double.
Yeah, I got the key. Hello? The life of the party has arrived.
I'm gonna rush. I'm coming back.
Knock knock, anybody in here? Hello?
My way. I'm not done yet.
Opening the door. Follow me. Door.
Hey, it's me, Sigu-chan. Let's be friends. You're mine.
Open sesame. It's this way.
Get back here.
Door. I wonder when floor 2 is coming out. I hope I don't die in here. I hope I don't die in here. Oh, after you.
That's it. Nobody
Last one through the door is a rotten egg.
No! Come back! We're not done!
I hope there's nothing scary in here.
So hey, I'm Halt. I hope you're doing alright. Yeah, I'm Halt. And I guess, you're in my room, so you gotta walk forward and backwards. Just, if you feel a little lost, what you say, turn around on your screen every time. I'm about to turn around. Some people find that a little difficult or don't really understand, but personally, I think it's pretty easy to understand. I don't know, some people don't find it so easy, but...
Door. Another open door.
Get ready again! Get ready again! Coming through!
One step closer to victory. Opening the door.
Through! Out of my way! I'm coming back!
Door. Yeah. New room. Another open door.
I'm not done yet! I got you all figured out. I was reading that. I'm coming towards you. I'm coming towards you. Yeah.
Get ready again! Get ready again!
Wait, where'd you go? Yeah. That book is I got you all figured out.
And make it double!
Wait, where'd you go? Rawr. You better stay quiet or I'll get you.
Don't stop hiding yet!
Meow. Yeah, you better run. You better stay quiet or I'll get you. Meow. I'm coming towards you.
Don't stop hiding yet!
I'm coming towards you. Hee hee.
Oh yeah, got an item.
Don't run, I just want a hug.
I'm gonna go again!
Hee hee. Ew.
I'm gonna go again!
I was reading now. You better stay quiet or I'll get you. Rawr. Rough, rough. Don't run, I just want a hug. at you. Get ready again! Get ready again! Wait, where'd you go?